Let's discuss about oogenesis. Oogenesis is the process involved in the development of mature ovum. It is the process involving in development of mature ovum. So we can simply remember the development of mature ovum as oogenesis, right? So let's see the steps involved in oogenesis. First, there will be primordial germ cells, right? There will be primordial germ cell. These primordial germ cells will undergo mitosis. And get converted to oogonium. Right? Oogonium. And this oogonium will undergo mitosis and gets converted to primary oocytes. This takes place till birth. At birth, all the oogonium will be converted to primary oocytes. Okay, these primary oocytes will enter into first meiotic division and gets arrested in diplotin stage of first meiotic division. So we can say at birth all the primary oocytes are arrested in diplotin stage, right? Otherwise we can say at birth all the primary oocytes are in diplotin stage of prophase, right? So they are in diplotin stage. This takes place till birth. Now at birth all the primary oocytes are arrested in diplotin stage, right? Now these primary oocytes which are arrested in diplotin stage will remain as in the same manner till puberty. At puberty, during menstruation, what happens is there will be LH surge, right? All of us know there will be LH surge during menstrual cycle. Due to this LH surge, these primary oocytes which are arrested in diplotin stage of prophase of meiosis 1 will complete meiosis 1. Right? Due to LS surge, this meiosis 1 will be completed. And due to completion of meiosis 1, these primary oocytes will get converted to secondary oocyte and one first polar body, right? This secondary oocyte also enters in meiosis 2, but gets arrested in metaphase. When fertilization takes place, this meiosis 2 will be completed. When fertilization takes place, these secondary oocytes which are arrested in metaphase of meiosis 2 will complete meiosis 2 and gets converted to ovum plus second polar body. This is ovum, right? So the size of this ovum is 120 to 130 micrometers. And one thing we have to remember is this is the largest cell in the body, largest cell in the body. Okay, and the lifespan of this ovum is 12 to 24 hours. And there are certain numbers that we have to remember. The number of primary oocytes at birth. The number of primary oocytes at birth is 2 million. Is 2 million. And the number of primary oocytes at puberty is 30,000 to 50,000. At puberty, the number of primary oocytes is 30,000 to 50,000. During the entire life cycle of women, the number of primary oocytes utilized is almost nearly 500. Okay, so the number of primary oocytes utilized throughout the life cycle of women is 500. And there is certain timeline that we have to remember. Primary oocytes are formed at 12 weeks, at the time of 12 weeks of gestation. 12 weeks of gestation. Okay, follicle formation begins at 14 weeks, and this is beginning of follicular formation, right? And completed at 22 to 24 weeks. Okay, this is about ovulation.